Welcome to the Will the Orange Guy Snooping Landing Page Project Showcase. This is a public template, as what it is a landing page, so you can use the repository to create your own landing page on your own website, or start building your website from this repository. What it is a simple under construction landing page that features Charles M. Schulz's iconic Snoopy Beagle. You can start the repository on GitHub, fork it to work on it on your own, or watch it to see when we release new versions of the thing. Otherwise, you can press the big green Use This Template button and start your website from there. Scrolling down the page, you'll see we're on version 1.4.0. It's available as a Docker package and is currently built with HTML and Dockerfile to create that Docker package. This is kind of a sample of what the website will look like. And it has some key features such as displaying a colorful and informative welcome text, displays a large memorable image of Snoopy, includes links to the GitHub profile and email of the person who is creating the website, as well as includes a projected completion date, and is cross-platform web browser based. So what you can do is you can download the source code to modify it and create your own landing page, or you can view a preview of it on the web here. If you want to run this website, you'll need Git installed on your computer. Otherwise, you can use Docker to pull the thing. Finally, if you just download the scripts, what you can do is copy both the index.html and snoopy.jpg files to the root of your website server, and then edit line 16 in multiple places. Where it says insert time here, you're going to replace that with the time you expect the thing to be done. So things that might work well if you're not 100% sure, you probably don't want to set yourself a hard deadline in case something happens. A good thing to say would be like the end of the year or in the spring. Where it says link to GitHub profile here, replace that with a link to your GitHub page. And where it says your email, replace that placeholder with your email address. Make sure you to leave the mail to and the colon in front, so that way as soon as you click it, it'll open up in your in your email browser. So scrolling down, it's built in part with GitHub, the W3C, W3 Schools, and the Charles M. Schulz Museum for the Peanut comic strips. It's licensed under the GNU General Public License, which can be found in the license file in the README, or in the repository, sorry. Scrolling back up to the top of the page, we can access our main index.html file here. So this is what builds that landing page. As you scroll through, very simple. It says under construction with some frowny faces, as it's not super happy that the website you were trying to get to is under construction, as well as some quick embedded style. So it has a H1, H3, and links, all of them which are in there, as well as a class for displaying something in the center of a page. It uses some fonts here. You, of course, can change these fonts to whatever you would rather use. Currently, it uses Microsoft fonts because it's assuming that most things will be viewed on a Microsoft computer, so they should work. So as this webpage is currently under construction, all while having the link to the image, which is linked directly from this GitHub page. Otherwise, you can, of course, change this image to whatever you feel. And then it scrolls through. As you scroll through here, you can see the text for what would show up at the bottom. So we are hoping to be up and running by where you would insert your time, let's say end of the summer. While you are waiting, why don't you check out our GitHub page, where you would link to https://github.com/willtheorangeguy, or whatever your GitHub page name is, or you can contact us by email at mail2@bob@gmail.com, whatever your email is. So we can head back to the main page of the repository here, and we can see the live version of this web page. So by clicking on the link here, it'll send you directly to the live version. This is what it looks like. Sorry, this website is currently under construction. Got this picture of Snoopy here building something, and we are hoping to be up and running by insert time here. While you're waiting, why don't you check out our GitHub page or contact us by email here. Now, both those links get changed to whatever you feel like they should be. At the same time, my personal favorite color is orange. Orange fits with the theme of my website. However, if orange does not fit with your theme, it's not your favorite color. You can head to that style that I talked about earlier, embedded in the HTML page, and change it to whatever color you feel. So thanks for watching. Thanks for considering this project. If you need a basic template HTML page or something to put up before your website is fully under construction, then head over to GitHub, fork this repository, or use it as a template, and then you can move on from there in building your website.